Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to draw with the number 5. We can draw a lots of things with the number 5, but first we are going to draw a parrot. Write number 5 and draw a semicircle on per side. Your face will be ready. Give it a nice little tail, join the lines, give some details to the tail of the bird. You can see drawing a bird like parrot with the number 5 is very easy. Give some detail to your parrot. See, with the help of number 5 you can draw a parrot very easily. Hope you are liking it. Think what we can make or draw with number 5 next. Okay, with the help of number 5 we can draw an apple. You know what? An apple a day keeps the doctors away. So draw an apple with the help of 5 with me. See, it's very easy to draw an apple with the help of 5. Give some details to your leaf. What we are going to draw next with the number 5? Do you have any idea? No, I'm going to tell you. We are going to draw a bird with the help of 5. It's very easy. Just draw a number 5. Then a circle on the other side of a 5. Make the line as a beak of the bird. Give an eye to a bird. Without an eye, how the bird will see? So eyes are very important. Keep your eyes safe. See, our bird is ready. And we can draw a pumpkin with the help of 5. Yes, you get it right. A pumpkin with the help of 5. Draw a 5, then draw a circle with the help of 5. See, our pumpkin is ready. A pumpkin without a leaf. It looks so sad, so give it a leaf. Hope you like it.